This time, as requested from one of our viewers from YouTube, GATE, he has asked us to solve this GATE 2016 set to 2 marks question. It might look like a strength of material question. Yes, it is, but start point should be from a Lami's theorem. Start point should be like finding the forces, then finding out the stresses. So we'll just see the question and we'll see how easy is it to solve a 2-mark question from GATE. In the figure, the load P, this is load P, 1 Newton, length L is 1 meter, Young's modulus E is 70 GPa, and cross section of length is a square with dimension 10 mm into 10 mm. We have till now we have not seen anything like Young's modulus or a cross section and all those stuff. Let it be. All joints are pin joints. Oh, this is the one which is most important factor. The stress in pascals in the link AB is, in the link AB, what is the stress? We all know stress equal to force by area. So we'll just write it as it is. Stress equal to force of, stress in AB equal to force of AB by area AB. So we all know they have given the area already, so which is square 10 mm to 10 mm. So we need to find the force in AB. How do you think we can solve this? Very easy. Just look for a 3 force joints which is at the point B, right? Just draw a free body diagram of point B, solve it using Lami's theorem, as simple as that. Okay, so now, so we have something over here, we have a dot, and this is if BC, and this is if AB, and this is P, right? So they have given it actually. So from this dotted lines we can make it out that this is 45 and this is 45. Okay, so rest of the angles we should calculate. It's very easy. Just calculate and we can do the rest. So this should be also 45 because already we have 90 degrees. So this is 90. So this is going to be obviously 90 and 45 is going to be, so 90 and 90 is going to be 180, and this total length is going to be 180 degrees. So after we have got the angles, very easy, just solve using Lami's theorem. So P divided by sin 135 equal to FAB divided by sin 180 equal to FBC divided by sin 45. What is required as of now for us? FAB, which is force on AB. So just solve force on AB equal to P sin 180 divided by sin 135. Obviously FAB is going to be 0. As a result, stress is going to be 0. So the stress in Pascal in the link AB is 0. See, it is as simple as that. It's very easy. So this might be a 2-mark question, but start point is like finding out the force. Finding out the force, we have a 3-point joint, 3-force joint actually. We have got the answer 0. See how simple is it. Okay, and one more important thing for us to know was a small snippet. If the angle of sine angle is there, right? So if this sine angle is 180, obviously closing your eyes you can say FAB is going to be 0. If there is any other force which has sine 180 at the bottom, obviously sine 180 is going to be 0. Anything that gets multiplied by 0 is 0, and the above force is going to be 0. This is one of the most important hit. If the sine angle, if sine angle in a Lami's theorem is 0, in Lami's theorem, then force is 0. 0. We'll see in the next video.